So you've come up with a great idea for your business, you've assembled the people to help you run it, and you've got your products ready. What else do you need to do? Well, one of the things you need to do is decide what type of entity you want to use to run your business. It's critically important that you choose the right entity at the outset. So one of the options is you could be what's called a sole proprietor. The real downside with that is you're liable for all the debts of the company if things go poorly. So most individuals try to come up with a different type of entity, and the entities that they generally choose among are either corporation or a limited liability company. And in the corporate sector, they sometimes get involved in what's called an S election. I don't want to go into detail of all those different variations, but the main things I wanted to stress today are you need to take time to make your decision at the outset on which entity that's right for you. You can go look online, but they won't tell you what works best for you. So my suggestion typically is first meet with an accountant. Yes, I'm a lawyer, but I'm not an accountant. An accountant can tell you how to structure the entities and how the entity work best for you for your particular business as to whether you want to go with a limited liability company or a corporation. When you finish meeting with the accountant, it is important to talk to a lawyer. And a lawyer can talk to you about several different things. One, what entity you want to be. Do you want to be a limited liability company, which has some benefits for some things, but it also has some detriments? Or you may want to be a corporation. In addition, the lawyer can go over other things that are critical for you to understand at the beginning. Are you going to have more than one person who's an owner? If so, what are the rights among the owners? If one of the owners wants to leave, does the other owner have the right to buy him out? If one of the owners wants to sell their interest to their child or a spouse, what are you going to do? So these are important things that you need to have addressed at the very beginning, and I highly recommend that you contact an accountant to get started and a lawyer to get your business off on the right foot.